So I'm going to show you how you can make some free Bitcoin using these apps. So if you don't know what Bitcoin is right now in this day and age, 2021, seriously, you must be living on a rock. Bitcoin is skyrocketed this year, and at the current price right now, it's over $55,000 per Bitcoin. And before, I think around last week, it touches up to $60,000 per one Bitcoin. So as I said, if you don't know what Bitcoin is, you're living under a rock, and I'm going to show you how you can earn some free Bitcoin using these apps that I'm going to share with you. If you look over here, you can see uh, Ethereum, you have Tether, and you got Cardano. These Bitcoins or these cryptocurrencies are skyrocketing. But I'm going to share with you how you can earn some Bitcoin. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, just welcome. My name is Andre, and I create brand new videos for you. So make sure you like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. So you're going to need a few things in order for you to do this. The first thing you're going to need definitely is going to be a smartphone. You're going to need some internet, and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. All right, so let's jump into it right away. The first website that I want to share with you is a website that is called StormX. So go to stormx.io, and this is available on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. So if you have an iPhone or Android, you're in luck. So it's the easiest way to earn some crypto. And then if you scroll down here, you could clearly tell that they've been featured in Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, Forbes, Wall Street Journal, and much, much more. So all you have to do is you could definitely just download the app. Most people, what they could do when you shop and you get paid. So every time you shop online, you're going to get paid for cash back, and you're going to get money for some crypto. So just scroll down here and see exactly how it works. So you download, whenever you start shopping online, you're going to get cash reward. And as soon as that money comes in, that's how you're going to be earning crypto on the go. So I'm going to give you some more websites that you can earn some more Bitcoin and some cryptocurrencies. All right. Over 750 stores globally. So these are some of the locations that you could go and you could shop. So that's the only thing with this app, is you have to shop in order for you to get cash back. But I'm going to give you some more websites that you could do some simple little tasks and you can make money right away. So make sure you download it right away, put it on your phone, and you're good to go. Now, this website is called freebitcoinapp.net. So that's it, freebitcoin.net. And the only thing with this one, it only works on Google Play Store. That is the only thing. It doesn't work on Apple. I'm sure they're going to be working on it. So if you download the app, just click on how it works, and you could see easy, free way to earn some Bitcoin. Very simple to use. Start earning as easy as 1, 2, 3. So you earn app credits, you earn and you accumulate all the app credits. And then once you do that, you can watch videos, you can play games, you can do some surveys, and you can make money. So it is highly recommended, and you just cash out, you redeem your app credits for Bitcoin, and once your balance displayed in the top right corner of the screen, all you have to do is just cash out. So it's a quick, easy way to get some money, and your payment's going to be in 3 days. So you're going to enjoy your Bitcoin. You could verify 3 working days. So that means if you do it on Friday, you have to wait till Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. If you do it on Thursday, then you have to wait till Monday. If you do it on Monday, then by Wednesday, Thursday, you should be good to go. So make sure you download this app. As I said, just go to freebitcoinapp.net. And then once you do that, then they're going to make sure you're all set. And if you have any questions or concerns, feedback, you can always reach out to their support. So if you click on here, it's going to take you directly to the App Store. So you could just download it, you can install it. So far, there's over like 36,000 different downloads already, and people that are posting reviews. So it is easy. They're going to take care of it. 3 easy steps. Make your Bitcoin money in your spare time. So don't create any VPNs, proxy, fake IP address. Don't do all those things, because once you do that, they're going to shut you down. So is it worldwide? Not quite sure. So you just have to try it out for yourself, see if it's available in your area, and you're going to be good to go. Now, the next website that I wanted to share with you is Feature Points. Feature Points, you get rewarded, you earn cash, earn rewards on your phone or web. When you do surveys, you do cash back. This has been around for a long time. I've done a specific review on this particular video, so if you want to scroll through my channel, but this is a great way how you can earn some Bitcoin and get some money in your pocket. So this works for both Apple and also Android. So if you click on download in the Android right here, you will see the app, what it looks like, Feature Points. It is free, so you don't have to pay for anything. So you earn some cash by doing surveys. If people want to shop online, they can do that as well. Scratch, win, instant prizes. You redeem your points, and you can also share your referral code with other people. So this is the good thing with this one. It has a referral code, and each time you share it with your friends or your family, you're going to get 50% of their earnings. So that means if they earn 1,000 points, you're going to get 500. So the good thing about this, if you have WhatsApp, if you have Facebook, if you got Instagram, so let's say if you're on Instagram right now and you have 100 people following you or interacting, I would reach out to them personally and I would say, hey, do you want to earn some Bitcoin? And see what they say and say, hey, listen, this is nothing that is going to cost you any money. All they have to do is just get involved with these things, play some games, do some surveys, and then you can consistently do it over and over again. So you can earn cash from your iPhone. If you have an iPad, there's fun surveys, free to play instant win, there's cash back. And so far they paid over 5.9 million US dollars in rewards since 2012. So they've been around for over 10 plus years. They have a 4.3 out of 5 rating. That is huge, and you can see what people are saying. You know, pretty good app, best money making app. The scratch offs need some fixing, but of course, there's always going to be little things here and there. And if you click on the Google, you can see the same way on Google. It is a 4 out of 5. That's not bad over 118,000 people. This guy right here gave a 1-star review, right? But Charlie gave a 1-star review. There's a 2-star, there's 5 stars. So you just have to see exactly what works for you. And they're using Android. So try it out, test it out, see if it works, and just go out there and crush it. But here's the thing with all these different apps that I just mentioned. You can make a lot of money from these apps. Yes, you're going to make some free Bitcoin using these apps, but it's not like you're going to make a ton of Bitcoin money. In order for you to make a particular Bitcoin, as it currently states, of $55,000 for one Bitcoin, you're going to have to do a lot of groundwork. But if you're looking for a way where you can actually make some more money, right, and you have some money and you want to invest into Bitcoin, check out Coinbase. Coinbase is a great place that you could buy Bitcoin and you could save it and invest it. Or if you want to learn some affiliate marketing and do it the right way, then check out the link in the first description. I'll send it over to you so that way you can see it. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you go check out this video right now. It's make $189 watching free videos on Netflix. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.